Hey, I'm Aiden. Today I'm going to show you how to reverse marble dye with toilet cleaner. Yep. Reverse tie-dye, or splattering bleach on a dark shirt to create a tie-dye pattern, is super trendy right now and puts an edgy twist on traditional tie-dye. Sometimes it's also called discharge dyeing. In the last video, I covered how to use the shaving cream technique to marble dye a t-shirt. We're repeating the same marble dye process, but this time we're going to use toilet cleaner and shampoo.
Protect exposed skin and cover work surfaces. Do not mix bleach with any other chemicals. Only use bleach in a well-ventilated area. That means open windows or go outside. Bleach is dangerous, yo, so use your brain.
Okay, let's talk supplies. I tried multiple types of bleach before filming this. Liquid, powder, even hair bleaching cream, and found that none of them worked quite as well as the toilet bleach gel. You'll also need shampoo. Cheap dollar store stuff is fine, maybe get 3 or 4 bottles. A plastic tool to create the swirls with. A wide tooth comb is great. You will need gloves to protect your skin since we are working with bleach and that can be kind of dangerous. Plus, a dark shirt that's mostly cotton. A cotton polyester blend can work too. Also cover your workspace. Trash bags are super cheap and can do the job pretty well. Alright, once you're set up, just start pouring the shampoo out onto your work surface. Yep, that's all it is, just pour it out. Spread it around into an area the size of your shirt. Then take the bleach and pour globs in varying sizes all over the shampoo area. The bigger the globs, the bigger the streaks. Then take your plastic tool or comb and drag it through the bleach globs. How many times can I say globs? As the bleach thins out, you may want to add bigger globs. Lay the shirt on top of the shampoo bleach surface, being careful to flatten out any kind of folds or wrinkles. Gently pat the shirt into this gelatinous mess and leave it for several minutes. Then carefully peel the shirt up, and I held the shirt to the side while I reapplied another layer of bleach and swirled it. Then carefully lay the other side down flat. You'll likely start to see the first side developing by now. Leave the shirt in place on the shampoo bleach surface for 10 to 15 minutes to let the second side process. Next, rinse. I highly suggest taking this part outside and using a hose with a jet nozzle. It's going to be super messy, super sudsy, and let off a bunch of potentially hazardous fumes from the bleach. If you don't have a place outside, your tub can work, but open a window. Rinse until the water seems to run clear from the shampoo suds. Finally, throw the shirt in the wash by itself and run it through at least twice with detergent to be sure all the bleach and odor is removed. And that's it. I really love the smoky kind of rust color that this bleach creates on a black shirt. And the marble streaks here feel very flowy, kind of like elegant smoke trails. If rainbow tie-dye feels too campy for you, reverse marble dyeing is a great alternative. But if rainbows are your thing, go ahead and hop on over to my other video, link in description, and I'll show you how to marble dye in full fabulous color. If you made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe for more DIYs, and share this video with a friend. Have a project you want to see me DIY? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see me try. Thanks so much for watching.